All right. So first, I want to say thank you, Cavalier, for giving me a remarkable opportunity to be able to see, or potentially to be able to see Lionel Messi not just play football, but to actually get the opportunity to see him. Yeah, him don't know me, so be it. But this is someone that I've been playing in FIFA for decades. Well, decades. We are 2025. I started play FIFA from 2004. 2 decades actually. 2 decades me I use Messi. And Suarez, Busquets, Jordi Alba. These are players that me I use in FIFA for a long time. I know I've gotten the opportunity to see them like face to face. And also see them in action, playing. Might not be at the highest level that they were, but it's still an honor and a privilege to see them. So thank you again for that, Cavalier. Now, I'm going to say thank you again for something else. For to Cavalier as well. But before me go into that line of conversation, I do understand that you're gonna have some people in the private sector who, if just maybe them get to see this video, not gonna like it. People in the Jamaica Premier League as well, probably not gonna like it. But I think it has to be said. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You don't have to do none of that. You don't have to do none of that. Probably you're gonna share it though. Probably you're gonna share it. All right. So thank you, Cavalier, for highlighting one, the hypocrites, the bandwagonists, people who will only believe in people when things are going good. Cavalier have highlighted the Jamaican culture in its entirety. Cavaliers they have significantly highlighted that. I don't have to go in much details, specifically speaking about how they highlighted it. I think you guys would have seen it for yourself. Now, Messi arrived in Jamaica. Not even before that, the amount of private sector who jump on the Cavalier bandwagon because they are going to play against Inter Miami with Lionel Messi, Suarez, Jordi Alba, Busquets. The amount of bandwagonists, companies, private sector, organization who jump on board. It's unbelievable. Me not reach what happened now. Me not reach Messi reaching Jamaica. Me not reach this yet. The mere fact, the first initial was that Cavalier was gonna play Inter Miami. The amount of persons jump on it. One, me and Mr. Speed, me enjoy it. I want some of them money there, man. Take some of them money there. Throw it back in the club, you know. Probably by this done, you're supposed to can probably build a owner multi-purpose facility. So big up yourself for that. Now, the amount of persons will say, boy, they want to be associated with Cavalier right now, all in the name of media attention. People are see what I want, everybody are run clicks like, well done, great job, great. So every company now want to say, yes, I did this for Cavalier at this period in time. So people can come in the comment section and say, me not call a name, no business name. Well done, battery. Well done, just I use those names as reference to the company. Well done, light bulb. Me know so I do good for Jamaica a long time. I'm happy to see when you jump on a help out Cavalier now. Yeah, man. Well done, teeth brush. You know do good long time in Jamaica now. I'm happy to see. This is what all of these companies are looking for. Interaction, that European feeling that they are being involved in this. And people are seeing it and saying, yes, they are doing a great job. But realistically, would they have done so if it's a different team? No, that's the truth. It's all in the name of attention, which is just how businesses operate. Nothing wrong with that. But it just highlights that these businesses are hypocrites. Total hypocrites. The Jamaica Premier League is struggling financially for years. For years, they've been struggling financially. Can't get a sponsor to help support this a team and that the team there. All of a sudden, business have $2 million, $3 million, $10 million, $15 million, $20 million. The short Cavalier. Tell me money, tell me money, tell me money. See money, you know our money. Speed, you know our money, take money. Have all of them money there. PFGL. Hope you are watching. Look at all of these clubs, these entities who jump on the Cavalier bandwagon. I don't reach the fans them, I soon get to the fans them. Look at all of these companies who jump on the Cavalier bandwagon. Let's see after this, if you go out and offer them an idea, a plan going forward who they can sponsor, be a part of what's happening, if they will accept. And if they don't, you know, it's difficult. And if they don't, let's just forget about them for now and allow some new persons to come in. Because when you wanted their help, they weren't interested. All of a sudden, things look good. I'm interested now. This come like, you know, when you go to school, you go high school and you have a high school crush, you know. Pretty girl and nice and something. Everybody want her. But true, you're a little simple, little nerd at school and stuff. And she's not interested in you. No, you're done high school. She probably have like a 1, 3, 4 pretty mash up, you know. Her body never look good again. Everything drop. Breast drop, bum drop, everything, all face drop. And you don't name bright already from good morning. No, when you're a little nerd now, start making decent money. And because you start making decent money, you start look better. Because really and truly, not for one ugly. I just look at money, you know. I just look at money they need. And you drive a nice car. All of a sudden, she message you say, well, I go on, you know, say rate it. No, not interested. No, that's going to lead now to the supporters. Fun fact. During the earlier stages of the Cavalier campaign in the concacaf competition, there have been times where Cavalier give free, I tell schools, some schools and probably some clubs, the opportunity to come in free, come at the game free, just come and support. The average fan, pay your money. 15 bills. 15 bills. $1,500. Yeah, me nah say it like said, I know money and irrelevant. Yes, it is money and it is relevant. But this game play like one time every 2 months, one of them game was playing a time. And you tell me say, even if you don't have no money, if you save $100 a day, you must have 15 days. At 2 months, you know. But you'll save, you're gonna have 1,500 you can go. And probably save an extra $1,000 as fear. And you can pay money and go watch a game. No one had any interest at all. That's speed literally a beg people. But how much time me post this and post that? No one is interested. Nobody no care. It's not relevant to them. No, Messi is coming. People want free tickets same way. How unrealistic is that? Oh, disturbing is that if you look at that in a business perspective. The bandwagon full now because Messi is coming. Nothing wrong with that. Me, I go to go see Messi, of course. Me not in a lie. I'm Messi. Me, I go to go see Messi Cavalier every week. But me want to see Messi. I let me have work today. Me and my boss that war. Because today must happen. There's no way. It was a point in which Cavalier beg people to come at the game. Beg. Giving them free. Even other coaches laugh off of him, laugh off of Cavalier, laugh off of Mr. Speed. And say, even if you try, you can't get 100 people who can support the team. I'm not a Cavalier supporter. And all of them game there. My mouth, I load this mouth in a facility. In a national stadium when the place empty. And I'm not a Cavalier supporter. But I genuinely love Jamaican football. I genuinely support it. And once one Jamaican team, I go play against one next team, I'm in a 100% support. When Arnett Garden that played the Caribbean Cup? The Caribbean Cup, I'm 100% Arnett Garden. Not saying me I put aside the club of me support, no. But I'm supporting them because they represent Jamaica. I support the Cavalier during the time period because they represent Jamaica. But I don't think a lot of Jamaican football supporters either way. Jamaican football game, in according to them, is Bush League. But we reach a level now where Bush League go against the top league, the top players them. Everybody interested now to see Bush League. No, they're not. They're interested to see the top players. Nothing wrong with that. In due time, this way see happen will happen again. Because the same Bush League where people cuss. This is it. I go up. That takes steps. And in due time, these occurrences we see today will happen more often. Yeah, and cuss me say a foolishness me a chat, all that kind of something there. No problem at all. Now, no problem taking beating for this. Anyways, thank you again, Cavalier, for this prestigious opportunity to the Jamaican people, to the football supporters in Jamaica, who have finally gotten the opportunity to see the greats of the greats on the pitch. Nothing wrong with that. Big up on themselves, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. I mean.